Hi children, welcome back to your social science class. In the last class we discussed houses in the villages earlier and now. In today's class we are going to learn houses in cities earlier and now. That means how was the houses in the cities in the past and present. So everybody need to take textbook children. Page number 10. Everybody need to take textbook page number 10. The houses in cities then and now. Okay, so let us read this topic. Then you can easily understand how is the houses in cities changed from earlier to now. Okay, houses in cities then and now. Until some years ago, houses in big cities had a single or a double story. So some years ago, the houses in big cities had a single story or double story. Single story means there will be only one floor will be there. Double story means there will be two floors will be there. One floor, then afterwards one more floor will be there in double story houses. So usually we can found in the cities. Earlier it is single story and double story houses. Okay, they had many rooms were there, and large families can live together here. So rooms are very large, rooms are there, and many rooms will be there, and a large family can live together in this house. These houses also had open courtyards, verandas and lawns. So these houses had open courtyards, verandas and lawns were there. Sometimes they had a garage to keep their vehicles. So there will be a separate place will be there for keeping cars. A garage will be there to keep their vehicles. These houses were usually built of cement, bricks and wood. So the houses earlier in the big cities, it is made of cement, bricks and wood. The ceiling were high and the houses had many windows and ventilators for air to pass through. So the ceilings will be very high. And in this kind of houses, in the single story or double story houses has so many windows for getting ventilation. Okay, and many ventilators also were there to get the to pass air inside it. The kitchens were usually large, and those who did not have gas stove cooked in mud stoves or chulas by burning firewood or coal. So the kitchens were usually large kitchen were there, and the people, those who do not have gas, they used chulas also. Chula means mud stove also they used. So in this mud stove or chulas, the people used coal or firewood for cooking food. Then hence the walls would be black with soot, and the walls also black with soot. Nowadays, most houses in cities are multi-story buildings. Nowadays, most of the houses in the cities are multi-story buildings. So earlier how it was? Single story or double story houses. But now it is multi-story buildings with many flat or apartments in each. So multi-story building, you can see here picture. Many floors will be there in one building. Okay, that is multi-story buildings. Okay, many families can live together in same building. So many families can live in one building, and the flats are not as big as the earlier houses. So we can find that many families can live in one building. In the multi-story building, the how will be the rooms and all. Rooms are very small, kitchen also will be very small. So a small family only can be live in one flat. But in the building we can see more flats and apartments, right? So in that many families can live in one building, but in one room, one flat only one family can live. Okay, that means small family only can be live in one flat. But in the building many people can live. Okay, in one building. They are fit for smaller families. So small families only can be lived in this kind of multi-story building. The kitchens are smaller and there are no ventilators also. So the kitchens are very small and there will be no ventilators. So how the people get ventilation? Yes, they use fans or ACs for getting ventilation. Then how this kind of houses are built, children? Though they are built of cement and bricks, they need strong steel rods to support the tall building. How the multi-story buildings are built? Yes, it is built of cement, bricks, and they used the steel rods also for getting strong. Okay, so to support the tall building. These buildings usually have a common park for children. So in this multi-story building, we can see only one park for all the children in that building. Okay, because there will be no more space there. Open space will not be there for playing. So there is only one park for children. And the cars are often parked in the basement. So where these cars are parked in basement. Basement means under this apartment there will be, under the flat or apartment there will be some place will be there. Under the ground there will be some place will be there, or space will be there. There they keep they park their cars. Okay, this is the way only the people are doing in the multi-story building. They are parking the car in the basement. Okay, so now we understood the difference between the houses in the cities earlier and now. So now we can find out how are they different. Okay, so now we can draw two columns and we can find out the differences between the houses in cities earlier and now. Okay, earlier and now. How were the houses in the cities earlier and now, that we are going to discuss now. Okay, so we already told earlier which type of houses can be found mainly in cities. Yes, it is single story or double story houses can be seen. Single story or double story houses can be found in the cities. Okay, double story building can be seen in the cities earlier. How it is now, children? Yes, now we can find multi-story buildings. Okay, so first difference we can find that earlier it was single story or double story, but now it is multi-story building. So single story or double story means only one floor will be there. One floor only will be there. Okay, one or two floor. Single story, one floor will be there. Double story means two floor will be there. Okay, multi-story means more than two floors will be there. That is, we can see it is like a flat or apartment. Okay. Then next difference, what are the another difference we can find, children? Here in the earlier single story or double story house, only one family can live. Isn't it, children? One family, that means a large family can live. One family can live here. But in the case of multi-story building, we can find many families can live in one building. Okay, many families can live. Many families can live in one building. Okay, one building, many families can live. That means we can find in the case of single story building, more people can live in one home. But here we can find that only a small family only can live in one flat. Then here we can see lawns are there, courtyards, and verandas will be there in the earlier houses. That means verandas will be there in the earlier houses. That means in the single story or double story houses there will be lawns, then courtyards and verandas will be there. But we cannot find lawns, courtyards and verandas here. Okay, verandas here, because it is like a flat or apartment, so there will be no more open spaces. So we can find another difference. Yes, here we can find that no open space. Here we can find more space. In the double story or single story houses there will be more open space. Here we cannot see no open space. Okay, no more open space. Then we can find again we can find the difference. Here separate place were there for keeping car, parking car. But here we can find basement for parking car. And we can find here more space will be there for playing, isn't it? But here we cannot see more space. Why? Because we know nowadays many people are going from village to city for getting job. That is why cities are now crowded. That means more people are living in cities. So there is no more spaces for building separate houses. So that is why in cities we can see more apartments or flats we can find. That means more multi-story buildings we can see in the cities. So these are some difference between the houses in the cities earlier and now. Okay, so earlier it was single story building or earlier it was single story or double story buildings, but now it is multi-story building. Okay, then earlier how it is, only one family can live in single story or double story houses, but many families can live in one building in the multi-story houses. Then lawns, courtyards and verandas can be seen in the single story or double story houses. But in the case of multi-story building, no lawns, no courtyards and no verandas. Okay. Then here we can see open space more in the single story or double story buildings. But in the case of multi-story building, no more open space we can see. So there will be only one park for children to play. So like that only will be in the multi-story building. Okay. So these are some differences we can find in the, then we told many other differences. Here there will be more windows and proper ventilation will be there. But in the case of multi-story building, there will be no more windows and they get ventilation through ACs or fans are needed for getting ventilation. That all we discussed. We told now the houses in the cities earlier and now. Okay, so these are some differences we find. Now again another way we can ask this question: how is single story houses are different from multi-story building? So the same answer only you have to write. Okay, so this much only we have to discuss in today's class. So now everybody need to take your workbook. So everybody need to take page number 16. Page number 16, S3, houses in cities. Okay. So we can see one picture here. You can see one house here. So what is the first question? How is this house similar to city houses of the past? Yes. How is this house is similar, children? Yes. This house is a single story building. This house is a single story house. And it has lawn. We can see here lawn, and we can see a separate place for parking car. Okay, so how we will write the answer? It is a single story house and it has lawns and it has separate place for parking car. Okay, this is the way you can write the answer. Second question is, write at least two differences between this house and multi-story building. This house means it is single story house, we already told. So difference between single story house and multi-story building. So multi-story building and single story building, how can we write the difference, children? Yes, multi-story building means it has many floors. Okay, many floors will be there. But in the case of single story house, only one floor. Okay, then second difference what we can write? Yes, in the multi-story houses, many people can live in one building. Many families can live in one building. Okay, but in the case of single story house, only one family can live. Only one family can live. Okay, then another difference we can write, there is a basement for parking car here, isn't it? In the multi-story building there will be basement for parking car, but in the case of single story or double story, how it is? Yes, there is open spaces are there for open spaces and separate place will be there for parking cars. Okay, so this is the way you can write the answer. Any two enough to write. It has many floors. It is very simple. Okay, a multi-story building, it has many floors, but in the case of houses in the picture has only one floor. Okay, then second difference we can write, many families can live together in multi-story building. But in the case of single-story house, only one family can live. Okay, so this is the way which you feel easy. Any two difference you write it. Okay. Next one, what is one thing you would not like to change in this house and why? So among this house, from this house children, what do you like most that you don't want to change? Yes, you can write any example, lawn or garden. You can write anything. So I would like to keep, I will keep garden because I want to play. I would like to play in the garden. Or I will keep lawn because I will sit there and spend my time, or I will play from there. Okay, like that way you can write your own answer is needed here. Okay, so this much only you have to do the workbook. Now we have to do some practice questions also children. So everybody need to take textbook. So the third question, practice question third one, write two difference between multi-story building and single-story building. Now only we discussed in the workbook, isn't it? So multi-story building, how it will be the difference? So we already wrote here, single-story house, how it is. Yes, only one floor will be there. Multi-story, many floors will be there. Single-story, one family can live. Multi-story, many families can live. So like that way you can write the difference. It's very simple, isn't it? And then in the single story, more open space will be there. But in the multi-story building, no more open space. Okay, so like that way you have to find, you can write the difference. Then one more question we have to write. What three things would you want in a house and why? So any three things you want in a house, why it is? I want lawn. You can write I want lawn. I want garden. Like that way you can write your own answer. I want veranda, courtyards. Okay, so I want lawn, courtyard, verandas because I can sit there and spend time with my family. Like that way you can write your own answer. Okay, so this much only we are taking today. So everybody study this part and read the content book properly. Okay. So this much enough for today's class. We will meet tomorrow with the next class. Okay, bye.